guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we're making Sasha's famous summer salad.
It's not really famous.
Oh, it's pretty famous. In our group, it's pretty famous. The first thing we're gonna do, you're gonna show them how you break a cucumber.
Time to cut up some cilantro. This is a recipe for everybody out there.
Kids can cook with your parents.
I don't really need it, but you'd be nice, but if you do, that's fine. Right?
Yes. And should we tell them what they need for this recipe so they can
Yeah.
get it all out? You need lots of cilantro.
Yeah,
Cilantro is the main ingredient.
The first ingredient I ever put in my salads.
Yes. And then you need any kind of fruit that would taste good in a salad. So things like apple, strawberry, pineapple, banana if you want.
No.
Actually, banana would not taste good with
Yeah.
water. You could do some orange, anything citrusy. Oh, and watermelon is super good in here. And then for vegetables.
And strawberries.
Oh, strawberries are so good in here. For vegetables, you can use things that are kind of crispy and light, like cucumber, bell pepper. And for the dressing, all you need
I need my salad bowl.
all you need is lime juice, salt, and pepper. Super duper simple. And this is Sasha's own recipe that she created.
And I just pour the cilantro. Well, I use my hand, but you can use whatever you like. Guys, are you ready? I missed. Okay, guys, are you ready? Great, fantastic.
I like to just smell it. I saw an Iron Chef smelling his board before cutting fruit to make sure it doesn't smell like garlic or onion. So now I'm gonna do it too.
Oh, that's juicy. That's a juicy tomato.
That's a juicy tomato. Now, Chef Sasha, what size do you think we should cut these cucumbers? Like that?
Some circles and some nets.
So, okay, you like different sizes?
Yeah.
I like it. Okay, let's do it.
Tomatoes smell so good. I love the smell of tomatoes. Even though I don't like tomatoes. Weird.
We're
Kinda.
all strange in our own ways, right?
Bro, why do I keep missing tomato? Oh,
Oh, that splashed oh, got on my pants. Oh, that's a cool technique.
maybe you should say like this.
Very cool.
I'm turning them into bite-sized pieces.
Nice.
Yep. Guys, if you guys haven't learned how to cut the salad, and get your mom to do it.
Yeah, you can get your mom to do it. Or your dad.
Or your dad. Whoever. What's you? Oh, God, I forgot we were filming.
Look at this salad. It looks beautiful. Okay, so, oh.
Go.
So lime.
Yeah, how about I'm gonna put it on this grape. So whoever does this grape, they're not eating it. Guys, if you don't eat spiciness, do not put pepper in.
For the salt, I'll put it in my hands. Oh, God, that's a lot. And you just pinch however much you want.
Mix it.
Mix it up.
Put my grape. I'll see you when someone eats it. Mom, do you want to taste test? Who wants to sell? Put your hands up.
Plate it up, chef. Okay, I love it. That looks good for me. See? Beautiful. It's really good. I love it. Thank you so much, babe. Say bye. See you next time.
See you next time.